Ever had your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo or completely unresponsive? Maybe you're trying to restore or update your iPhone, but iTunes just won't recognize it. Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to put your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro into recovery mode with or without iTunes. Let's get started. Part 1. How to put iPhone 13/13 Pro in recovery mode with iTunes. First, let's go over the standard method using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side, power, button until you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. On your computer, a pop-up will appear in iTunes, Windows or Finder, Mac, giving you options to restore or update your iPhone. And just like that, you're in recovery mode. But what if iTunes isn't working or you don't want to use it? Let's check out the alternative method. Part 2. How to enter recovery mode without iTunes, using ReiBoot. Now, if iTunes isn't an option or you just want an easier way, you can use ReiBoot by Tenorshare. Here's how. Click on the description area below the video to download and install ReiBoot on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone 13/13 Pro to the computer with a lightning cable. Open ReiBoot and click Enter Recovery Mode. That's it. No complicated button pressing. Super quick and beginner friendly. And it should be emphasized that it is completely free. Give it a try. Alright, let's recap. If you want to manually enter recovery mode, you can use the button combination. But if you prefer a one-click solution, ReiBoot is a great option. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. See you in the next one.